One of the important things that all of us, or maybe for that matter, many of us, have neglected is the power of questioning. Because from childhood, when we were students, we were always conditioned in a way in which the student who questioned a lot was considered a nuisance, and the student who accepted and by hearted everything the teacher threw was considered as ideal. तो हमने भी ये मान लिया यार कि क्वेश्चन करना गलत होता है कि तुम क्वेश्चन करते हो. We started to get into a situation where questioning started to become a inferiority or insecurity. That if I question, that means that there's something that others understood that I didn't. Okay, so it started for a lot of us to feel like asking questions is shameful. But it's something that I found out lately, maybe 1 month or 2 months ago. That's the power of questioning. Okay, how much easier and how much well you can understand concepts, you can understand beliefs, you can understand theories if you question them. For every belief, every theory, every concept you see, the first thing is question them. That's one of the reasons why a lot of great thinkers are cynical. That their first instinct is to question it. If you say something, you see some rare people that if you say something to them, yeah, it's rare for them to accept it. If I say some theory or my idea about something, he will always say against it. Because for such people, it's their first nature to be a cynic, to question everything that they are trying to believe. Okay, and its importance started on an easy breezy day when I started to think on why is it so important to say the truth. ठीक है, कि अगर हम ट्रुथ की मॉरल वैल्यू निकाल दें, सच्चाई बोलना चाहिए, अच्छे लोग सच्चाई बोलते हैं, बुरे लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, अगर तुम झूठ बोलोगे बुरे हो जाओगे, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. तो सच क्यों बोले? देयर शुड बी सम रीजन. And that line of thinking came forward or came into my YouTube channel as a video about why you should say the truth. Which, by the way, is a really good video. The link would be coming up here somewhere. So do go check it out. And from then, there are a lot of concepts that I started to question, and the result that I see is great. Because once I question something, I concrete its value in my mind. And once I questioned why I should say the truth, and I got the answer for it, the idea now is concrete in my mind. There's nothing that could change it. There's no argument that would come up and say that okay, these are the reasons because of which you should not say the truth. You should start lying. It's a rare case. I don't think that happening. Because in a way, I have concreted my beliefs, my ideas, because I went through the way of questioning. I put forward every loop or hurdle, every counter argument there was to the fact of why saying the truth is important, and my belief passed each one of them. And questioning was also discouraged in a lot of situations because a lot of things, a lot of people said they didn't know the reason for it. Okay, for a lot of things, there's a lot of reasoning back there. कि जब ना आप अगर आप कोई एक बेसिक चीज़, इफ यू टच समथिंग एज डेलिकेट एज रिलीजन, और आप उसके बारे में जाके अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछोगे, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे वो बोलेंगे यार ऐसा ऐसा है, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने ये ऐसे ही बताया था, तुम भी ऐसे ही करोगे. ओके, एंड दे से दैट बिकॉज दे डोंट नो द रीजन फॉर डूइंग इट, और मे बी दे फील क्वेश्चनिंग इज अ न्यूसेंस. लेकिन जब तुम पॉसिबली हर एक चीज़ की रीज़न को समझ लेते हो, योर बिलीफ इन इट becomes twofold, threefold. It becomes multifold basically. And questioning is something that has helped a lot of scientists. कि यार साइंटिस्ट ना वही लोग होते हैं, उनमें कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, ज़्यादा उतनी ज़्यादा आईक्यू नहीं होती. दे जस्ट थिंक इन सर्टन वे. कि यार उन्होंने एक चीज़ देखी कि लेट्स टेक द बेसिक एग्जांपल ऑफ एप्पल फॉलिंग ऑन न्यूटन सेड, we have all sat below the tree and have all possibly experienced or seen something falling, but we never thought why it was falling. Now when you see it because you know it's gravity, but when you were a child, you never thought why something was falling. It's not because you knew what gravity is, just because a line of thought, a line of thinking was not in that way. Newton thought why everything falls towards the earth, and he started to create an idea. It's the line of thinking that matters, it's the line of questioning that matters. With that, once I get a concept and I get a full 3D, 4D view of it, I take it through all the hurdles, all the obstacles, and if yet it stays intact, that's the belief I want. If it gets shattered, if it couldn't pass through all of them, maybe that's something that I should not believe in. Maybe that's something I should increase my knowledge in and try the test again. Because a lot of things in which maybe you don't know the whole picture and yet you try to question it. So that's something that I have learned lately of how important questioning can become.